The biggest problem of AI is that whenever we use to generate image, it unable to match the face and the generated image does not look real. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix this problem and generate image something like this with 100% face accuracy. At the end of the video, I will also show you how to generate videos like this with your face accuracy. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So for generating images and video, I'm going to use Higgsfield.Ai that includes all the important tool in its premium plan, and that is for absolutely free of cost. Step number 1, we have to create a character. For this, go to character tab and then click on create character. Here you have to upload images. Make sure to upload minimum of 20 images where your face is clearly visible from different angles. After uploading the image, here enter your character name and then click on generate. It is going to create your character in few minutes that can be seen over here. Now there are two different ways to generate image in Higgsfield.Ai. Let me show you the easiest option first. From the character section, choose your character. And here we are going to add a sample image of what you want to create. For example, I am going to add an image of a person driving a car. Once you upload the image, simply click on generate free. And here is the final output. The generated image is looking good, but let me tell you one thing, you can create far better image than this with the help of option number 2 that is going to look ultra realistic. For this, simply go to characters tab and from here choose your character and then choose Seedream 4.5. Next, you have to upload one image where your face is clearly visible, and at the end you have to enter a prompt. Now how to write a prompt? It is very easy. For example, I want to create an image like this where a person is sitting in green Lamborghini car. For creating image like this, go to ChatGPT and upload the image and write this prompt exactly how I am writing right now. And don't worry, I have given all the prompt details in the description section below, just you can copy and paste it. And ChatGPT is going to generate the prompt in detail. Just select the entire prompt and copy from here. Next, go back to Higgsfield.Ai and paste the prompt and then click on generate. And look at the output. It is just unbelievable. No one can tell you that this image is generated with the help of AI. Again, I am showing you the side-by-side comparison so that you will get the idea how accurate my face in this new AI generated image. And how you feel about this image, please let me know in the comment section below. Till now we have learned how to generate images with face accuracy. Now let's go forward and understand how to generate AI videos with face accuracy. For this, go to Explore tab and scroll down, and here you are going to see many visual effects, and most of them are trending on Instagram Reel. You must have seen this zoom out effect. Let me show you how to create this. For this, select the visual effects from the list and then click on recreate. Now from here, delete the given image and replace it with your own image. And I am going to use this image that I have again created using Higgsfield.Ai. You can use any image that you have. And next, click on generate. Let's see the result. Oh my god, the output is good, but it has created me as a woman, right? Lol, I am not a woman, I am a man. So we have to do some changes in the script, and let's do these changes. In place of women, I am going to write man, and in place of desert, I am going to write city as I am standing in the city. And I don't want any dress code, so I am going to delete this line from here. That's it. And then click on generate again. And the final output is ready, and look at the result, and it is just superb. So if you use this Higgsfield.Ai tool, I am sure you are not going to regret, and trust me, I am using it for the first time and the tool is giving really amazing results. I am sure you are enjoying watching this video. Then at least hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let me show you how to create this punch effect. It is very simple. Just click on this template and then click on recreate. and rest of the steps are almost same. Just delete this photo, and here I'm going to upload my another image and then click on generate. Wait for a few seconds and the video is ready. This is the easiest effect that you can create in Higgsfield.ai. I am showing you the step-by-step tutorial so that you learn from basic to advanced. Now it's time to understand how to generate some complicated video, and that is with your face accuracy. So this time I'm going to try this effect where a woman is lighting up a cigarette and money is falling from the sky. Before going forward, I would just like to let you know I have shared my affiliate link of Higgsfield.ai with my promo code in the description section below. So after watching the video, make sure to check it out for better discount. To create this with face accuracy, just pause the video where girl photo is clearly visible and take a screenshot. Now go to ChatGPT and paste the image and write this prompt. ChatGPT will give you a detailed prompt about how to create an image like this. So copy the prompt from here, come back to Higgsfield.ai, go to character, select your character, paste the prompt and then click on generate. So we have got our image and see how realistic it is looking, and the style is completely matched, right? So download the image from here. Now come to VFX section and then click on recreate. From here I am going to delete this girl image and going to add my image that I have recently created and then click on generate button. So finally our video is ready and let's look at the result. And the output is just mind-blowing. Look at the quality and the face accuracy. This is the part 1 of how to generate images and videos with your face accuracy. If you want part 2, then let me know in the comment section below. By the way, you can sign up for Higgsfield.ai from the link in description section below, or else you can directly click here to sign up right now. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.